I think this is going to be a transformational project for the university. They're getting actually 2 subway stations, the York University Station and Pioneer Village Station, both of which will open up at the same time. So it will create a really great pedestrian environment in the heart of the campus.
The 2 stations, York University and Downsview Park, will open in December as part of an 8-kilometer extension to Line 1. Visitors had access all the way down to the concourse at York U Station, which featured large floor-to-ceiling windows. These stations were among dozens of unique places to open their doors to the public today, including CityNews.
This is amazing. I love the city. I love the station. CityNews is amazing as well.
So far, so good. We're having a lot of fun. Kids are having fun.
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm enjoying it a lot.
It's our first time at City TV. We're fans of breakfast television. It's on at our house every morning as we get ready for school and work. So the kids and ourselves wanted to come check it out and see what it's all about in real life.
It's what I thought. It would be better if there were more people here, but we have you here. The staff are very friendly. The station is amazing, and a lot of stuff is very new.
We have gone to Doors Open Toronto for many, many years, and we decided that this time we're going to come to Omni and Rogers and see the facilities here, and we're very excited and pleased. We're watching, looking at the wall.
Great.
What I would expect of a news channel, and I especially like the weather room. I would never have been able to get a chance to see the inside of this place, so Doors Open Toronto is definitely a good idea.
And you'll maybe come back next year?
Definitely, I'll come back, and if you guys hire me, I'll come back every day.
I would just recommend it for anyone who's got a free or make a free weekend or a free day and just go take your kids. It's fabulous.